So using subject line A/B testing tool is very easy in Beehiiv. All you have to do is in the dashboard, click on Write, click on Posts. Now select a newsletter that you have made. Click on Edit Post. Now go to the Email tab and toggle on Create A/B Test switch. So now fill in your two subject lines that you want to test. So now in A/B test settings, set your duration and sample size. Click on Save. So now go to Schedule, click on Publish Now and select Review, and then again click on Publish Now. Your post will be successfully published. Now to check your results, go to A/B test. Here you will get which of those two subject lines performed better. So in my case, one of my subject line had an open rate of 66.7% and the other one had 32.4% open rate. So A/B testing subject line is just that easy in Beehiiv.